Ulefone was the first in the world to present its smartphone with the built-in wireless earbuds. It is the Ulefone Armor 15 model, which is also a robust smartphone that is resistant to water and dust. But it is certain that it will be remembered for being the first in the world to have built-in wireless TVS earbuds. These earbuds can last for about 6 hours on a single charge, but the phone itself serves as a charging station, and thanks to this big 6600 mAh battery you can get 606 hours of total battery life with the Armor 15 case. Besides that, the phone is equipped with the dual speakers on the front of the handset, featuring dual smart PA with the max 2-watt power. And you will also get 12 megapixel and 30 megapixel dual main cameras for solid snaps. This has not been offered by anyone ever except Ulefone. The Kickstarter campaign for the Armor 15 is currently on the pre-launch phase, but it will go live soon. Just click on the notify me button and you will always get the latest information. The crowdfunding pre-launch also comes with the giveaway event on the official website where you can win the new Ulefone Armor 15, and you can already subscribe there for a super early bit discount price as well. The official links are below the video, be sure to click on them today. That's all for now, see you soon in a new video, bye.